Now here we are going to talk about another malware which is called Keylogger. Now what is Keylogger? What is the function of this? How it can be dangerous? And how it is easy to get the user and passwords of the victims by using Keylogger in very easy way. So to show you, we are again going to take this system 20, and we are going to involve one another system 172.20.101, and I am assuming that this system is of some bank server is there. So now from this system, what the user is going to do, what the victim is going to do, by using some browser, that victim is going to access the bank website. For that he or she has to enter the username and password. Now from this system we are going to access this server, but our attacker is here. We want to see whether this attacker will be able to capture this username or password or not. So we will observe. First we will go there and we will try to access the website of a bank. We are just assuming, actually we have not implemented any bank's website, but we are assuming for understanding. So we will see whether this system is able to capture the password or not, and what technique it is using for capture, and how it can be very dangerous. So from this system we are going to assess this system, and we will see whether it is able to pick that username or password or not. So we are going to victim system. So from victim system we will open some browser, and here we are going to type the name of the website of the bank or any site where we need username and password. So here I am going to put the address. This is the address of suppose our bank website. Then what we need to do, we need to enter username, then whatever is the password. So we have to specify that. Then we are going to say OK. Now it is going to open that website. That means from this we were able to access that site. But now we will go to this attacker system, and we will see whether it is able to capture that username, password or not. So we will go to the attacker system. Now attacker, this Trojan horse also installs one keylogger on the victim system also. Now what is keylogger? Keylogger's meaning is that whatever you are going to type using keyboard, it will save that into some file. So what we can do, we can go into this and we can read this file, and look at this. It is showing weapon is the username, password is this, and this is the site. That means whatever victim is going to do anything on his or her system, whatever he or she is going to type, what will happen, it will capture each and everything, and it will note down it in a simple file which we can read. So it can be very dangerous. So keylogger, so this Trojan horse is so dangerous that it installs another malware also, which is called keylogger. Now please remember, if you are going to go into some search engine, and if you are going to search for keyloggers, hundreds of keyloggers are available. Some of them are free. When you are going to install it on some system, whoever is going to use that system, whatever they are typing, that will be stored in some file. So please never try to use, when you are accessing your bank site or critical information, do not use some public system or somebody else's system, because they might be having the keyloggers. In my case, I always uses my system. In public places, I never try to use my email accounts or my banking information. I try to access, because we do not know if these type of things are installed there. So it is always safe to always use your own systems. And again, sometimes hardware keyloggers are also available. Sometimes installing software is not possible for the hacker on the victim system. So what they can do, they can use the hardware keylogger. What we can do, where we put the keyboard in the system, we can put that hardware keylogger there, and whenever somebody is going to type something, that will get saved in that hardware keylogger, and later on that hacker can remove that device, and they can read whatever information is there. So it can be very dangerous keylogger. So please remember, this Trojan horse also has installed this keylogger on this victim system. So whatever this victim is going to do, it will get captured, it will be saved in this some file, and this can read those file and can get the knowledge of a username and password. So Keylogger is another dangerous malware which can infect your systems.